Hey guys, it's me Dezzyloops, and I just got out of the shower. It's been a long day because I've been cleaning up my room literally all day. And now this is the last thing that I wanted to tackle, which I don't even know what to say about it, because this was something that I was thinking about. It's like you're out here getting all this yarn, but you haven't even organized and cleaned the yarn that you have. So I was like, okay, no more yarn purchases until I get this all cleaned up and organized. So I think the camera is crooked. It's just gonna have to be what it's gonna be because I just don't have time for all this. But yeah, so I don't know if I want this to be like a speaking montage or a voiceover, but I'm just gonna show you guys the process of me cleaning all of this up. That's a lot of yarn. First things first, we gotta make sure we get those tunes in check. So I just got this Kindle and I don't really know how to work it yet, so y'all bear with me. Trying to stand up was not giving what it should have gave. That really scared me. I'm very disappointed because I don't know how, but the male cardigan that I was trying to make in this beautiful forest green color, somehow, some way, all these stitches got knocked off. And I'm very, very mad. I don't know who did it, but literally all of these stitches. And I don't even feel like picking them back up, but I know I have to. So I'm gonna set this to the side as a project that I'm gonna just have to do, because that's very disappointing. So here, this is some yarn that I got that was supposed to be for this weekend, but I don't even think I'm going to be able to make what I wanted to make in time for the event. So this is just going to go to the side. I'm going to take it out of the packaging and just like sit everything neatly to the side and then organize it in the drawer. So I'm gonna sit all of my whips on the bed. That way they don't get confused with the rest of the yarn while I'm organizing. Have any good ball wonder recommendations, just let me know, because I know there's like always so many different options and you never know like what exactly to get. So this stuff I'm probably gonna end up throwing away just because like it's tangled and I don't feel like untangling it, and it's white yarn and I have a lot of white yarn, so I'm just gonna end up throwing this away. So as you can see, we have one empty basket. Now let's get on to the next one. So this is the yarn that was in these two bins, and I just cleaned it out. Like, it looks like a lot, but it's really not, because most of these have project ideas in mind. Like, that's one thing that I've been trying to do, is buy yarn with projects in mind and not just. So now I'm going to, I didn't even finish that last statement. Buy yarn with projects in mind. That way I'm not just like buying a bunch of yarn and it's just sitting on the shelf. All of this stuff I'm trying to get out as soon as possible. This is on the bed. These are some whips that I have. Some of the stuff I need to take apart, and then some of the stuff I need to finish. And then this is the newest yarn that I got, which I'm about to organize into this these drawers right here. They're empty, and I'm just gonna put those in there. Just gonna start putting stuff up. First one's done. So, oops. I can't wait to do this. I'm gonna start making bags to sell. And so I have bought these two, and I'm super excited. This is not gonna fit.